So now let's see how you can work around with text inside of video editing mode inside of Blender. So in order to work around with text inside of video editing mode, you can see that I'm in a blank project and I can go around over here and click on add. So once I do that here, you can see that text is an option. So once you click on text, what happens is that the text layer is there and you can see the little small text right here. You can go around and type in the word you want. So in my case, I'm going to type in tube right here, just like this. And then you can see that it gets replaced right here. You can go around right here and you can see that you can open up different fonts as you wish as well. And the font will be loaded out. You can go around over here and click on this one right here. You can see that this is the font. You can go around, choose any font you wish. And then you can go, let's say for example, you want to choose Calibri, you can open that out and the font will change out. You can increase out the size right here and the font size will change. You can also go around and choose color as you wish, as you can see. And then you can also include out a shadow if you wish and go around and you can change the shadow color over here as well. So just like this, you can create effects as you can see. You can go around right here, you can change around the location of the text right here. And then you can also work around with the anchor right here. You can center align it right here, you can right align it and so forth. And then you can also center align it right here, top align it or bottom align it and so forth. So just like this, you can go around and change out the alignment as well. So over here, there's the composition as well. So if I were to actually go around and then drag in the video clip right here, so I can go around just like this. This is what you have. You got the text on top of video as you can see. You can go around over here and change the alpha right here to have different effects as well. You can do screen out, you can do subtract and so forth. And you can see that similar effect is actually applied. You can also work around with the opacity right here. So I'm going to go around right here. So there's drop over and so forth. You can go around with opacity as well. You can mirror them out as you can see according to how you like it. And you can work around with offset over here as well, just like this. You can work around with crop so that the left side is cropped out, the right side is cropped out right here. So you can see that you can actually crop out parts of text right here. And the great thing is all of these can be animated at the same time. So that is how you can work around with adding text inside of Blender, inside of video editing mode. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.